Hey insulators, this is my daughter Jenna. She owns a company down in Alabama called Extraction Pros. She is the proud owner of this CoolVac37 with the combination trailer and dump. Jenna, we just finished up a job today.
Yes.
All fiberglass. What did you think?
It was awesome. It just sucked those bats up like they were nothing. Not only was I incredibly impressed with that just from the start, the power of this machine was so strong that I had to have one of my guys sitting on the hose holding it so it didn't fly all over the place, which was awesome. Another thing that was crazy was I tripped over one of the sandbags that we had holding down the hoses before I got one of the guys to sit on it. I tripped over that, and that machine sucked that sandbag right into it, and I grabbed it, and I was able to hold it till they shut the machine off, but it just whipped it in there. It was crazy. Yeah. The guys thought I'd gotten caught, and I hadn't, but that's what it was.
Yeah, I can't tell you. We're all concerned about you getting caught in that hose today. But yeah, we had a great time, went really fast. Hey, look, we have almost 3,000 square feet of fiberglass in this trailer, and we still had room in that bag. If you're wondering how much fiberglass you can fit into this bag, you can fit in a whole lot. So thank you, Jenna.
Thank you.
And this is my grandson, Grayson. He is going to be a future insulation machine salesman. What do you think?
Yeah, like it's so powerful.
Because it's so powerful. He's got it.